See, totally changed, huh?
No.
Totally. Yeah, now I know. Because when I did it to mine.
Even on my steering, it's like...
Yeah, down the road. It stays there.
And I was like, fucking kicking it. And
I noticed, and it was...
it was just, with the 6,000 now. Oh, this plane is so fun.
I'll let you take off, then I'll go after you.
Oh, right.
No, don't worry about it. And don't feel pressured. Do your thing.
New satellite position.
Oh, nice.
Because I had to move everything for it to make
Yeah.
Take it off!
Oh, that thing looks cool. Alright, you good?
Take off flaps.
Crazy Ricky. Dude, I love it.
Alright,
Timer clear.
here we go.
Gear up. Flaps up.
You good? There's a lot of weird wind in thermals too.
Yeah, I gotta check it out, get it right.
Yeah, mine just did it too. Just rolled left all on its own.
Yeah, see it's rolling.
Whoa, yeah, bumping all over. There's a big thermal over there.
See that? Here, I gotta land this thing. It's not actually a wall. Alright, landing.
Alright, you're all clear. I'll stay out of your way. Dude, it was as I went over there, it just rolled all on its own. That tells me it's thermal.
13 degrees Fahrenheit. Flight pack 20.
Come on, Ricky, do your thing. Okay, so bad servo maybe? Okay. Grease the landing though, sheesh. Alright, I'm doing a downwind since nobody's up. Fast pass from the right.
Well, earlier it shifted in the car and fell in the road.
Oh, there you go. So something might have happened. Ah, that breeze feels good. Fast pass. Yep. Maybe it jammed it.
Yeah, it probably jammed it or something. Didn't crash my baby though on the motor.
That was good. I mean, that was a good landing.
Yeah, it was.
Temperatures 113 degrees Fahrenheit.
But even when I was pulling up, it didn't go straight up.
Maybe it skipped a tooth or something. That's Ken.
Oh, that's Ken.
30 seconds.
It's a Volvo. You say, how does a Volvo sound like that?
They sell a V8.
That's your daddy's car. That's your daddy.
All right.
Time remains
Fast and low from the left.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
Wake up!
Hey, Todd, you gonna fly that thing today?
Huh?
You gonna fly it?
It won't start, so I'm gonna put a new carb on and see if I can get it to start.
Awesome.
If I can get that motor to run, next weekend I'm flying it.
Yeah, from that flight today, I don't think that double afterburner is affecting it at all.
Oh no, because you were screaming.
It does not care.
It looked nice.
Okay, landing from the
It does
left.
not care. It was just like pushing through.
You were screaming. I watched you a couple passes.
It
was like, oh, and it wasn't wiggling.
Landing flaps.
Who, me?
I was going up, started going like this. I'm like,
You gotta upgrade the power system.
When they're on the ground, they'll run.
Ah, I like the headwind.
Ordered another fuselage and wings for that. Yeah, the gyro that we put in it wasn't set up correctly. That one I was able to find it.
1 minute over.
It just it did it like 3D mode or something. It was really good. So Ricky said Ricky's done a bunch of them.
Ricky.
I don't want him to buy
Man, this is like F-15s are multiplying. I like it.
Going up!